Python arrays. In this topic, let us discuss about Python arrays. Python does not have built-in support for arrays, but Python lists can be used instead. Arrays. However, to work with arrays in Python, you will have to import a library like the NumPy library. Arrays are used to store multiple values in one single variable. For example, see here, create an array containing car names. See here, we have created some arrays. The result will be like this. What is an array? An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. If you have a list of items, a list of car names, for example, storing the cars in a single variables could look like this: car 1 Tata, car 2 Bajaj, car 3 Maruti 800. However, what if you want to loop through the cars and find a specific one? And what if you had not 3 cars but 356? The solution is an array. An array can hold many values under a single name, and you can access the values by referring to an index number. Access the elements of an array. You refer to an array element by referring to the index number. See the example. Get the value of the first array item. See Tata, Bajaj, Maruti 800. Now we are getting the first item array. The result is Tata. Example 2. Modify the values of the first array item. We are now modifying. See with Toyota. See Tata changed to Toyota. The length of an array. Use the length method to return the length of an array, the number of elements in an array. See here example. Return the number of elements in the cars array. Tata, Bajaj, Maruti 800. See here how many there? There are 3. The length is 3. Note, the length of an array is always one more than the highest array index. Looping array elements. You can use the for in loop to loop through all elements of an array. See example, print each item in the cars array. See, we had given Tata, Bajaj, Maruti 800. See here Tata, result is Tata, Bajaj, Maruti 800. Adding arrays elements. You can use the append method to add an element to an array. Here add one more elements to the cars array. Here cars Tata, Bajaj, Maruti 800. See now we are adding Honda with append method. See here Tata, Bajaj, Maruti 800, Honda added. Removing array elements. You can use the pop method to remove an element from the array. See the example, delete the second element of the cars array. We are deleting second, pop 1 by giving 1 Tata, Maruti 800, Bajaj was deleted. Or you can also use the remove method to remove an element from the array. See here example, delete the element that has the value Bajaj. See we are removing Bajaj. Here see Bajaj was removed. The list remove method only removes the first occurrence of the specified value. Array methods. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on list arrays. We already discussed this method with examples in last chapter in video 12, list methods. See here, Python does not have built-in support for arrays, but Python lists can be used instead. See already we discussed about this. Append means adds an element at the end of the list. Clear method is removes all the elements from the list. Copy method returns a copy of the list. Count method returns the number of elements with the specified value. Extend method add the elements of a list or an iterable to the end of the current list. Index method returns the index of the first element with the specified value. Insert method adds the element at the specified position. Pop method removes the element of the specified position. Remove method removes the list item with the specified value. Reverse method reverses the order of the list. Sort method sorts the list. Okay friends, this is the end of part 21, arrays. In the next video, let us learn about another topic, classes and objects. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.